Saan ba? Ito?
Hanggang 5 mo. 5-0.
Kasi ang bilis niya. Ngayon ko lang ito nalaman. For real.
It's over. It's been pretty good so far.
Oh, they took the slip out. They took the slip out that ball. Mitchell will be kicking himself.
Nagawa na ni Good yung assignment niya. Tapos na? Parang Maui Taylor. Dami nagsasabi sa akin, alam mo ba na nasa Thailand ako? Tinawag ako Maui Taylor. Sabi ko, ha? Tapos ano? Sabi ko, Pinay ka? Sabi ko, hala, your dress is so cute. Sabi niya, are you Pinay? Also, I said yes. Sabi niya, you look like Maui Taylor. I said, oh yeah.
He spoke about that while he was fielding, didn't he? About one of Ollie's boat
He
sixes.
said, thank you.
He said the wind was
Ay.
coming in, just got it
Oh my
up
God.
there and took it on its way. And
Kauwi mo kasi.
happy to play in first, second year.
Before nga, nung sa Showtime, sabi sa akin, sumali daw ako. Inisip ko sino kamukha ko.
Reads the bowler very, very well. So pressure on Bucky straight away.
Thank you. Ay, ang init. Grabe.
One of those bowlers very skillful. He bowls sort of that
Sakit pa rin yan. Ang sakit nga dito.
stuff, and that's his main weapon, really.
Wait naman mo yan, ah. Pabalik ka?
Nakapay pa na ako.
Ay, thank you.
Hoy,
Oh,
nakapay pa ko.
ako. Dapat ba ito? Oh, wait lang. One. Oo. Young version ni Angel Locsin. Ito naman isa Angel Locsin daw. Ay! Siguro nung kabataan ko.
Honest to Jack Edwards.
Pero ngayon hindi na.
Easy, they can have
Idol ko yun.
other fielders out in the ring, but they've got a couple
Magkano
of
bayad
extras
dito?
inside.
10,000.
Off strike probably more than anything.
10 something eh.
The one thing that
Hindi na. Wala na sa Labres. Matagal na akong umalis. Almost like, September, October, November. October, November, December. Like 4 months. Yeah, 4 months. Oh my God. From LA, yes. I will. No, I'm 30. 30. Are you sure? come to Bali. I guess, yeah, I go there before, like last 6 months ago. Yeah, I was there. It's 5:42 a.m. there, right?
Brilliant from Brendan.
Miami, Florida.
Direct hit. Edwards going straight from the long side. One-handed pick up. Brendan Dogger, he's an athlete. Brother does Ironmans. He does it in his off-season as well. But he's rapid and picks up the